We're starting the day off firing up on some caffeine. Then we'll be shooting down the farm, moving a couple of machines around, going to check out the track, make sure it's all dry and rideable. It'll be a good day. The Nissan Navara Pro-4X WARRIOR is just perfect for my lifestyle, but instead of me talking about it, how about I show you what I can get it up to. Listen to the bees buzz around. We've got about 30 hives here, which keeps me pretty busy, pretty active, pretty healthy. Plenty of honey still in there for them. She's a handy bit of equipment getting around the farm. Let's unhook the bad boy. Locked and loaded. Oh, what? Well, here we are at the track. This is where I like to get my work done. The thing I love most about riding, probably the freedom. Like, you're just off out in your own zone. It's always that purpose of having fun and adventuring and exploring. Beauty and the Beast, so you can decide which is what. Beast. That's a wrap. Thanks for joining.